Welcome to Cabin Craft, far away from the noise and chaos of city life. Deep in this quiet wilderness, I've started building my own off-grid wooden cabin by hand. From cutting trees to preparing the timber, I'll be doing every step myself. Welcome to this incredible journey. Now let's get started. I'm placing wooden logs by hand and building the cabin foundation. I'm cutting and fitting wooden posts by hand to build the cabin door frame. I'm peeling bark off the log by hand and cleaning the wood surface. I'm making precise cuts along the logs and fitting them into place. I'm installing window frames by hand and giving the cabin a new shape. I'm raising the roof frame by hand and securing the main beam into place. I'm raising the roof frame by hand and assembling the whole structure piece by piece. I'm placing wooden planks one by one and assembling the frame by hand.
All right, I got a friend coming. Huge thank you to Rob. Look at that work.
I'm hammering nails into the wooden frame and fastening everything securely by hand. I'm laying plywood sheets by hand and covering the wooden frame piece by piece.
not toxic. Don't have to worry about it. E2. Okay, I'm out of deck space.
I'm placing logs one by hand and setting the upper structure into place. I'm lifting massive logs by hand and placing them on the upper structure.
My camera cut out. Okay. Hello, I set it up here in real time because this altogether took me 50 minutes to get this log on here. And the old body rock in there when I had the boom all the way extended, but I couldn't have been happier when I had it secure.
I'm pulling the massive log into position and fitting it into place by hand. I'm lifting the wooden wall frame and fitting it into place by hand.
Hey, look at that, we have a...
I'm laying wooden sheets one by one and covering the entire section by hand.
unique look and it changes the whole...
I'm placing massive triangular wooden frames one by one and shaping the upper structure beautifully.
Yeah. That's buff. I think that was... End of the week.
I'm placing large sheets over the sloped wooden frame and securing them one by one. I'm wrapping white protective sheets around the window area by hand. I'm installing metal roofing sheets by hand and covering the entire roof securely.
I got an extra piece though. I'm not even strapping this one.
I'm applying a coating to the wooden wall and enhancing the overall finish by hand. I'm placing the wooden staircase steps one by one and building the way upstairs.
Ooh, your head don't say that? Oh.
I'm trimming the extra log ends with a chainsaw and making the wall even by hand.
All right. This is like a date.
Are you kidding me?
Installing the window frames and glass panels one by one, bringing the cabin closer to completion.